Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in today's video I wanted to tell you about a brand new free critique Tuesday. So over on Instagram I am running free critiques for Shopify sellers and anyone who is running e-commerce store. I offer a free website critique, free website review, so analysis of the design, SEO, conversion potential, and also proofreading. And it's completely free. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram and like, comment, and tag on the post that talks about a free critique. It is published every single Monday. So I published this post on Monday. All you have to do is go there, like this post, comment with your website URL, and tag your friend if you think that your friend should know about this post, if you want your friend to have their website reviewed as well. And the website critique will be held on Tuesday. It will be a video on Instagram TV and obviously posted on my feed. And if you like this video, please click like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more SEO news, and I'll see you on Instagram. Bye bye.